channel. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you how I created this red lip bold look using this Swiss Beauty red liquid lipstick. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So this is my bare face with a little bit of moisturizer on. Make sure to put all the hair back, and the first step is to apply some foundation. Here I'm using the Body Shop Clay Matte Foundation. This is a really mattifying foundation that gives a very matte look. It also has tea tree oil, so it will help with acne prone skin. Now I'm blending the foundation with the help of my fingertips. You can use brush or a beauty blender to blend. I'm using my hands. To set the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Compact, and I'm going to be patting the powder all over my face. This way the foundation is not going to crack later, and it will give a very airbrushed and smooth look. So once the base is done, I'm going to be moving on to the eyeshadow. I'm using this nude shade to tightline my eyelids, and I'm going to be making a crease. And now with this brush I'm going to be patting this gold shade from my eyeshadow palette and will be applying directly on the lids. Make sure you do it the same way, because this way it is going to last longer and all the glitter will be deposited in one place and will look beautiful. So this is the final look. Now taking an angled brush, I'm going to be creating an angled outline. So I'm using this darker shade to create the corners of the eyes, and now I'm going to be blending it all together to avoid any kind of harsh edges. So now my eye makeup is done. This is what the shadow looks like. Now I'm going to be tight lining my eyes. I have used this liquid liner to create a wing liner. Look how beautiful it looks. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Innisfree brow pencil and brushing the brows properly so that I have a nice canvas. Now very nicely I'm filling in the eyebrows, making very small lines. You can clearly see the difference here. Now I'm going to be using a pink blush on the apples of my cheeks. Make sure you put very little product so that it does not look patchy and looks very natural and blushed. Make sure you smile while you're doing it. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to be using this Hyper Curl mascara to curl my lashes and underline them a little bit. This way your eyes look more fuller. And now I'm going to be using the lipstick. So this is what the lipstick looks like, guys. I'm really happy with the way it looks, and it completes the overall look. Make sure when you do this look, the eyeshadow and the rest of the face is a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to be completing the whole look by using this golden shade to paint the inner corners of my eyes. This way the look is gonna be complete, and it will look really bright and will open up your eyes and will give that perfect glam look to your face. Now I'm going to be using this champagne gold color to highlight the high points of my face. I'm going to be using it here and a little bit on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the tip, and then on my forehead, a little bit on the cupid bow and the chin. So this way you'll have a complete look, and I'm really happy with the way the look has turned out. It is really beautiful and glamorous and looks really subtle and sweet. So let's talk about the lipstick. So it comes in a two-way applicator like this. From one end you can get a bold red lip color, and from the other end is this clear gel lip gloss, which can be used as a lip shiner or a primer. So I've used this lipstick. It's been 4 hours and it is quite non-transferable, because I've been wearing this for 3 to 4 hours and it has not been transferred to any of my coffee mugs or spoons. So I think it's pretty non-transferable. Also, if I talk about the finish, it definitely gives you a very smooth and perfect finish on the lips. It does not crease, it is not patchy, and I think for the price that it comes, it definitely gives you a very good result. So guys, I hope you like this video, and for more such simple looks, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.